Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Today we have a Celebrity FUE with 1,000 grafts. So this is a new procedure that has been, the technology is very new, just within the last year, and now we are able to remove hair as they are with long hair. We don't have to trim hair, we don't have to shave, obviously. Even individual hairs that we used to cut and remove them with Celebrity FUE, we don't have to do it anymore. We just remove long hair and replace long hair. Very new. We're going to show you everything. Reviewing the priorities. So we're gonna. He already had a transplant here, the front and crown. So we had a good number of grafts in the back before, but we want to fine tune it. We want to enhance it in certain areas. This is the roll area, the middle of it. We're going to put a maximum number of grafts, and then we have two sides here, like a L shape. Those are again our first priorities, and then we're going to fill those areas on the top. And as we get comfortable with the number of grafts we have there, if you have more, we move forward. Okay.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18.
Grafts are coming very nicely with Long Hair FUE system. Yeah, they look good. Okay, almost done. Everything looks pretty good.